हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वीकेंड पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज की क्लास में हम सभी यस नो टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ऐसा क्वेश्चन जिसका आंसर सिर्फ यस और नो में ही हो सकता है। तो इस तरह का क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में डू और डस को पुट किया जाएगा। टू हैव को पढ़ रहे हैं तो डू और डस का यूज़ करके हम क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे और इनका आंसर यस और नो में होगा। जैसे कि डू आई हैव अ मैंगो, आप अपने बारे में पूछ रहे हैं किसी और से कि क्या मेरे पास एक मैंगो है, तो अगला आंसर आपको क्या देगा कि हाँ आपके पास एक मैंगो है, या फिर नहीं आपके पास एक मैंगो नहीं है। येस यू हैव अ मैंगो, नो यू डू नॉट हैव अ मैंगो। तो इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करनी है। हमारे पास में जो वर्ड्स हैं जिनसे हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है, पहला है आई, वी, यू, दे, गर्ल्स, ही, शी, विक्रम, नताशा, माई कज़न। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट हमने लिया है मैंगो, इससे प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं। डू आई हैव अ मैंगो? येस यू हैव अ मैंगो। डू आई हैव अ मैंगो? नो यू डू नॉट हैव अ मैंगो। डू वी हैव अ मैंगो? Yes, we have a mango. Do we have a mango? No, we do not have a mango. Do you have a mango? Yes, I have a mango. Do you have a mango? No, I do not have a mango. Do they have a mango? Yes, they have a mango. Do they have a mango? No, they do not have a mango. Do girls have a mango? Yes, girls have a mango. Do girls have a mango? No, girls do not have a mango. Does he have a mango? Yes, he has a mango. Does he have a mango? No, he does not have a mango. Does she have a mango? Yes, she has a mango. Does she have a mango? No, she does not have a mango. Does Vikram have a mango? Yes, Vikram has a mango. Does Vikram have a mango? No, Vikram does not have a mango. Does Natasha have a mango? Yes, Natasha has a mango. Does Natasha have a mango? No, Natasha does not have a mango. Does my cousin have a mango? Yes, your cousin have a mango. Does my cousin have a mango? No, your cousin does not have a mango. अगला वर्ड हमारे पास प्रैक्टिस के लिए है वन ब्रदर। डू आई हैव वन ब्रदर? येस यू हैव वन ब्रदर। डू आई हैव वन ब्रदर? नो यू डू नॉट हैव वन ब्रदर। Do we have one brother? Yes, we have one brother. Do we have one brother? No, we do not have one brother. Do you have one brother? Yes, I have one brother. Do you have one brother? No, I do not have one brother. Do they have one brother? Yes, they have one brother. Do they have one brother? No, they do not have one brother. Girls, do girls have one brother? Yes, girls have one brother. Do girls have one brother? No, girls do not have one brother. Does he have one brother? Yes, he has one brother. Does he have one brother? No, he does not have one brother. Does she have one brother? Yes, she has one brother. Does she have one brother? No, she does not have one brother. Does Vikram have one brother? Yes, Vikram has one brother. Does Vikram have one brother? No, Vikram does not have one brother. Does Natasha have one brother? Yes, Natasha has one brother. Does Natasha have one brother? No, Natasha does not have one brother. Does my cousin have one brother? Yes, your cousin have one brother. Does my cousin have one brother? Yes, your cousin has one brother. Does my cousin have one brother? No, your cousin does not have one brother. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग, खूबसूरत लिखावट। डू आई हैव ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग? येस यू हैव ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग। डू वी हैव ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग? Do I have beautiful handwriting? No, you do not have beautiful handwriting. Do we have beautiful handwriting? Yes, we have beautiful handwriting. Do we have beautiful handwriting? No, we do not have beautiful handwriting. Do you have beautiful handwriting? Yes, I have beautiful handwriting. Do you have beautiful handwriting? No, I do not have beautiful handwriting. Do they have beautiful handwriting? Yes, they have beautiful handwriting. Do they have beautiful handwriting? No, they do not have beautiful handwriting. Do girls have beautiful handwriting? Yes, girls have beautiful handwriting. Do girls have beautiful handwriting? No, girls do not have beautiful handwriting. Does he have beautiful handwriting? Yes, he has beautiful handwriting. Does he have beautiful handwriting? No, he does not have beautiful handwriting. Does she have beautiful handwriting? Yes, she has beautiful handwriting. Does she have beautiful handwriting? No, she does not have beautiful handwriting. Vikram, does Vikram have beautiful handwriting? Yes, Vikram has beautiful handwriting. Does Vikram have beautiful handwriting? No, Vikram does not have beautiful handwriting. Does Natasha have beautiful handwriting? Yes, Natasha has beautiful handwriting. Does Natasha have beautiful handwriting? No, Natasha does not have beautiful handwriting. Does my cousin have beautiful handwriting? Yes, your cousin has beautiful handwriting. Does my cousin have beautiful handwriting? No, your cousin does not have beautiful handwriting. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास अन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक टू रीड. ठीक है, तो बहुत ही रुचिकर किताब है मेरे पास पढ़ने के लिए, उसकी बात हो रही है. डू आई हैव an interesting book to read? Yes, you have an interesting book to read. Do I have an interesting book to read? No, you do not have an interesting book to read. Do we have an interesting book to read? Yes, we have an interesting book to read. Do we have an interesting book to read? No, we do not have an interesting book to read. Do you have an interesting book to read? Yes, I have an interesting book to read. Do you have an interesting book to read? No, I do not have an interesting book to read. Do they have an interesting book to read? Yes, they have an interesting book to read. Do they have an interesting book to read? No, they do not have an interesting book to read. Do girls have an interesting book to read? Yes, girls have an interesting book to read. Do girls have an interesting book to read? No, girls do not have an interesting book to read. Does he have an interesting book to read? Yes, he has an interesting book to read. Does he have an interesting book to read? No, he does not have an interesting book to read. Does she have an interesting book to read? Yes, she has an interesting book to read. Does she have an interesting book to read? No, she does not have an interesting book to read. Vikram, does Vikram have an interesting book to read? Yes, Vikram has an interesting book to read. Does Vikram have an interesting book to read? No, Vikram does not have an interesting book to read. Does Natasha have an interesting book to read? Yes, Natasha has an interesting book to read. Does Natasha have an interesting book to read? No, Natasha does not have an interesting book to read. Does my cousin have an interesting book to read? Yes, your cousin has an interesting book to read. Does my cousin have an interesting book to read? No, your cousin does not have an interesting book to read. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास स्पेस फॉर प्लानिंग द सेरेमनी. कोई भी फंक्शन होने वाला है, उसके लिए आपके पास जगह है, इसकी बात हो रही है. डू आई से प्रैक्टिस करना है. डू आई हैव स्पेस फॉर प्लानिंग द सेरेमनी? Yes, you have space for planning the ceremony. Do I have space for planning the ceremony? No, you do not have space for planning the ceremony. Do we have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, we have space for planning the ceremony. Do we have space for planning the ceremony? No, we do not have space for planning the ceremony. Do you have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, I have space for planning the ceremony. Do you have space for planning the ceremony? No, I do not have space for planning the ceremony. Do they have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, they have space for planning the ceremony. Do they have space for planning the ceremony? No, they do not have space for planning the ceremony. Do girls have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, girls have space for planning the ceremony. Do girls have space for planning the ceremony? No, girls do not have space for planning the ceremony. Does he have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, he has a space for planning the ceremony. Does he have space for planning the ceremony? No, he does not have space for planning the ceremony. Does she have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, she has space for planning the ceremony. Does she have space for planning the ceremony? No, she does not have space for planning the ceremony. Vikram, does Vikram have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, Vikram has space for planning the ceremony. Does Vikram have space for planning the ceremony? No, Vikram does not have space for planning the ceremony. Natasha, does Natasha have space for planning the ceremony? Yes, Natasha has a space for planning the ceremony. Does Natasha have space for planning the ceremony? No, Natasha does not have space for planning the ceremony. Does my cousin have a space for planning the ceremony? Yes, your cousin has a space for planning the ceremony. Does my cousin have a space for planning the ceremony? No, your cousin does not have space for planning the ceremony. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में अन अपॉइंटमेंट। कहीं डॉक्टर के पास जाना हुआ तो पहले से जो नंबर लगा के रखते हैं उसको बोलते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट। आई से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। डू आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट? येस यू हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। डू आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट? नो यू डू नॉट हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। डू वी हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट? येस वी हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। डू वी हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट? नो वी डू नॉट हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। यू डू यू हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट? येस आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। डू यू हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट? नो आई डू नॉट हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। दे do they have an appointment? Yes they have an appointment. Do they have an appointment? No they do not have an appointment. Girls, do girls have an appointment? Yes girls have an appointment. Do girls have an appointment? No girls do not have an appointment. He does he have an appointment? Yes he has an appointment. Does he have an appointment? No he does not have an appointment. She does she have an appointment? Yes she has an appointment. Does she have an appointment? No she does not have an appointment. Vikram, does Vikram have an appointment? Yes Vikram has an appointment. Does Vikram have an appointment? No Vikram does not have an appointment. Natasha, does Natasha have an appointment? Yes Natasha has an appointment. Does Natasha have an appointment? No Natasha does not have an appointment. My cousin, does my cousin have an appointment? Yes your cousin has an appointment. Does my cousin have an appointment? No your cousin does not have an appointment. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में एल्डर सिस्टर यानी कि बड़ी बहन। डू आई हैव एल्डर सिस्टर? Yes you have elder sister. Do I have elder sister? No you do not have elder sister. Do we have elder sister? Yes we have elder sister. Do we have elder sister? No we do not have elder sister. Do you have elder sister? Yes I have elder sister. Do you have elder sister? No I do not have elder sister. Do they have elder sister? Yes they have elder sister. Do they have elder sister? No they do not have elder sister. Girls, do girls have elder sister? Yes girls have elder sister. Do girls have elder sister? No girls do not have elder sister. Does he have elder sister? Yes he has elder sister. Does he have elder sister? No he does not have elder sister. Does she have elder sister? Yes she has elder sister. Does she have elder sister? No she does not have elder sister. Vikram, does Vikram have elder sister? Yes Vikram has elder sister. Does Vikram have elder sister? No Vikram does not have elder sister. Natasha, does Natasha have elder sister? Yes Natasha has elder sister. Does Natasha have elder sister? No Natasha does not have elder sister. My cousin, does my cousin have elder sister? Yes your cousin have elder sister. Does my cousin have elder sister? No your cousin does not have elder sister. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में अ गोल्डन फिश, सुनहरे रंग की मछली। आई से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। डू आई हैव अ गोल्डन फिश? Yes you have a golden fish. Do I have a golden fish? No you do not have a golden fish. Do we have a golden fish? Yes we have a golden fish. Do we have a golden fish? No we do not have a golden fish. Do you have a golden fish? Yes I have a golden fish. Do you have a golden fish? No I do not have a golden fish. Do they have a golden fish? Yes they have a golden fish. Do they have a golden fish? No they do not have a golden fish. Girls, do girls have a golden fish? Yes girls have a golden fish. Do girls have a golden fish? No girls do not have a golden fish. Does he have a golden fish? Yes he has a golden fish. Does he have a golden fish? No he does not have a golden fish. Does she have a golden fish? Yes she has a golden fish. Does she have a golden fish? No she does not have a golden fish. Vikram, does Vikram have a golden fish? Yes Vikram has a golden fish. Does Vikram have a golden fish? No Vikram does not have a golden fish. Natasha, does Natasha have a golden fish? Yes Natasha has a golden fish. Does Natasha have a golden fish? No Natasha does not have a golden fish. My cousin, does my cousin have a golden fish? Yes your cousin have a golden fish. Does my cousin have a golden fish? No your cousin does not have a golden fish. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में अ बैग, एक थैले की बात हो रही है। डू आई हैव अ बैग? येस यू हैव अ बैग. डू आई हैव अ बैग? नो यू डू नॉट हैव अ बैग. Do we have a bag? Yes we have a bag. Do we have a bag? No we do not have a bag. Do you have a bag? Yes, I have a bag. Do you have a bag? No, I do not have a bag. They, do they have a bag? Yes, they have a bag. Do they have a bag? No, they do not have a bag. Do girls have a bag? Yes, girls have a bag. Do girls have a bag? No, girls do not have a bag. Does he have a bag? Yes, he has a bag. Does he have a bag? No, he does not have a bag. Does she have a bag? Yes, she has a bag. Does she have a bag? No, she does not have a bag. Vikram, does Vikram have a bag? Yes, Vikram has a bag. Does Vikram have a bag? No, Vikram does not have a bag. Natasha, does Natasha have a bag? Yes, Natasha has a bag. Does Natasha have a bag? No, Natasha does not have a bag. My cousin, does my cousin have a bag? Yes, your cousin have a bag. Does my cousin have a bag? No, your cousin does not have a bag. अगला वर्ड है हमारे पास में अ वैन, मतलब एक वैन जो गाड़ी होती है. डू आई हैव अ वैन, डू आई से प्रैक्टिस करना है. डू आई हैव अ वैन? येस यू हैव अ वैन. डू आई हैव अ वैन? नो यू डू नॉट हैव अ वैन. डू वी हैव अ वैन? येस वी हैव अ वैन. डू वी हैव अ वैन? नो वी डू नॉट हैव अ वैन. डू यू हैव अ वैन? येस आई हैव अ वैन. डू यू हैव अ वैन? नो आई डू नॉट हैव अ वैन. डू दे हैव अ वैन? येस दे हैव अ वैन. डू दे हैव अ वैन? नो दे डू नॉट हैव अ वैन. Girls, do girls have a van? Yes, girls have a van. Do girls have a van? No, girls do not have a van. Does he have a van? Yes, he has a van. Does he have a van? No, he does not have a van. Does she have a van? Yes, she has a van. Does she have a van? No, she does not have a van. Vikram, does Vikram have a van? Yes, Vikram has a van. Does Vikram have a van? No, Vikram does not have a van. Natasha, does Natasha have a van? Yes, Natasha has a van. Does Natasha have a van? No, Natasha does not have a van. My cousin, does my cousin have a van? Yes, your cousin have a van. Does my cousin have a van? No, your cousin does not have a van. तो ये थी आज की प्रैक्टिस, और इससे पहले जो भी वर्ड्स आपके पास में हैं उनको भी पुट करें और उन सभी के साथ में प्रैक्टिस करते रहें. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. कोई भी फीडबैक हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. अपना ध्यान रखें. बाय बाय.